Good afternoon from the Netherlands. We're going to start up this beautiful Suzuki GT550. What a sound with these expansion exhausts. Wow. What a cool sound. It looks great. Engine is overhauled completely. Paintwork is new. As you can see, this is not okay. We have to fix that. Looking real nice and sounding great. The bike is for sale. If you're interested in this GT550, you can contact me for price information. We have a lot of detailed pictures. And we ship and sell worldwide. If you like the video, follow us. We have more videos to come. More than 200 vintage bikes in stock. You can follow us on our socials, YouTube, subscribe. Or visit our website. You can make an account and you can see all prices. Okay, thanks for watching again. Bye bye.